Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing into the Google account that manages the place. This ensures changes publish faster. Once signed in, open Google Maps and locate your business or choose Add a Missing Place. Make sure you select the exact address and category. This avoids duplicate listings. After selecting the place, click Claim this business or tap Edit Place Details. From here, you'll be ready to add contact information. That's the specific field we'll fill next. Now you'll add the phone number itself. In the Places Details view, find Phone and choose the pencil to edit. Enter your number in full international format, for example, +1 555-123-4567, because that reduces formatting errors. Once entered, double-check area codes and any extensions. Incorrect digits break calls. Then hit Save. Make sure to view the listing on both mobile and desktop, so you can confirm the number appears and links properly to call action. Finish by submitting any verification Google requests. Verification makes your contact info visible to everyone. If prompted, choose postcard, phone, or email verification and follow the instructions. Verification can take up to 3 days, so be patient. Once confirmed, revisit the listing and your Google Business Profile dashboard to confirm the phone number is live and callable. If it doesn't update, remove duplicate listings, clear browser cache, or use the support option in Business Profile to resolve lingering sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.